Hello and welcome to the MustangLibraries.wordpress.com walkthrough tutorial. You clicked on this tutorial screencast from the home page, which is the page that pops up when you go to the website. The home page contains all the blog posts in order of when they were posted. You can click on any blog post from this page. The most recent posts are closer to the top. For older posts, scroll down. If you are looking for a specific post or specific information, the post titles tell you what the post contains and the topic of the post. Please also stay tuned for a site walkthrough tutorial of the MCUSD6 Libraries Google site, which is coming soon. The main reason you will be using this site is for the information contained in the blog posts. This is the majority of the site. If you click on the About page of the site, you will see a brief introduction about me, along with my contact information should you have any questions or need to contact me for any reason. Finally, under the Contact page, you can contact me directly through the site itself. I would, however, prefer either that you contact me at my school email or phone rather than through the site. Now I will walk you through finding information on this site. Let's say, for example, that you come to the site and you see the first blog post entitled Useful MCUSD6 Information. Click on the title to read the post. As you can see, the post contains both text and links to outside websites with pertinent information from Morrison students, parents, or community members. Anytime that you read a post, you can leave a comment or a reply on the post. This concludes the walkthrough tutorial of the MustangLibraries.wordpress.com. Please also see the MCUSD6 Libraries Google site, link provided in Useful MCUSD6 Information blog post for more information and useful links. Thank you.